Welcome to the best picks. The best roll-on bed liner is probably one of the most durable and versatile ways to protect your truck bed from scratches, dents, and rust, offering superior protection compared to drop-in liners or spray-on bed liners. In this video, we will explore the top roll-on bed liners available on the market, comparing their features, durability, ease of application, and overall value to help you choose the perfect liner for your truck. Number 5. Herculiner HCL1B8 Kit. Transform your truck bed, trailer, or even boat deck with Herculiner. It's tough, durable, and easy to apply. Just prep the surface, apply Herculiner, and let it dry. It's that easy to get a professional-looking finish. It'll be functionally cured in just 10 to 12 hours, and fully cured in 24 hours. Get back to using your truck bed quickly. This textured coating is 5 times thicker than other roll-on liners and protects against rust, chipping, flaking, and peeling. It's incredibly versatile too. Use it on metal, concrete, wood, fiberglass, rubber, most plastics, and even PVC. The possibilities are endless. The kit comes complete with 1 gallon of Herculiner, an application brush, 2 rollers, a roller handle, and an abrasive pad. You're ready to go. Herculiner provides a skid-resistant surface that will keep your cargo secure. It's a tough, long-lasting solution. What we like. It boasts a robust, textured finish that's 5 times thicker than other roll-on liners. This superior thickness ensures lasting protection against wear and tear. If you need a heavy-duty solution that will stand up to the elements and years of use, this is the one for you. What people say. It helped me cover a part of my bed that was messed up. I did something silly and ended up with a 9 inches hole in my bed. I welded the hole up, but it looked hideous following the fix. I decided to go with a bed liner for protection and a cover-up. My bed looks great now. Works great, easy process, and durable. I applied it on top of the previous spray roll brush whatever it was liner. That liner was probably a good 12 or 15 years old. Dried, cracked, scuffed, dented. I prepped the old by filling the cracks or cuts with a glue and sanding everything so the new would adhere well. I'm sure I at least roughed it up. I vacuumed and cleaned it per the instructions before applying the liner material. The final looks pretty good. It's very gritty textured. Number 4. Custom Coat Truck Bed Liner Kit. This is a heavy-duty, 2-part urethane coating that's easy to apply and provides superior protection for various surfaces. It's incredibly versatile and durable, perfect for both professional and DIY projects. It's resistant to chipping, impact, and abrasion, unlike other coatings. It also offers excellent heat, UV, and water resistance, protecting surfaces from rust and the elements. Use it on truck beds, vehicle exteriors, equipment, or even home surfaces like floors and walls. The possibilities are endless. Our DIY kits come with everything you need for a professional finish, whether you prefer rolling, brushing, or spraying. Get great results with minimal effort. Choose from over 50 colors of urethane tint concentrate to create a unique look. Mix and match to create custom designs or camouflage patterns. Find the perfect kit size for your project, from 1 quart to 2 gallons. Kits are available with spray guns or roller applicators. With its versatility and customizable colors, it allows you to transform any surface with a durable, long-lasting finish. Let your imagination run wild. What we like. This liner offers a unique 3-to-1 mix ratio for superior control and customization. Its versatility makes it suitable for various surfaces and applications, both indoors and outdoors. If you value a product that can handle multiple projects and withstand harsh weather conditions, this is your best bet. Number 3. Durabac 18 Truck Bed Liner. It provides a powerful coating that protects against weather, saltwater, and other elements. It's waterproof and weatherproof, keeping surfaces sealed and secure, even in harsh conditions. This heavy-duty coating is easy to apply with a brush, roller, or spray gun. Get professional results without needing a body shop. It covers up to 80 square feet per gallon, smooth, or 60 square feet, textured, in 2 coats. Wood surfaces may need 3 coats. Protect your boat from rust and wear. It's slip-proof and safe for crew and passengers, ideal for various marine uses. It bonds to various surfaces like wood, metal, and fiberglass. Choose from textured or smooth finishes for countless applications. It's weather, heat, and UV resistant, so it will last for years. It's also sound and vibration dampening, with impact and abrasion resistance. What we like. It's designed for effortless application, whether you use a brush, roller, or spray gun. Its waterproof and saltwater resistant properties make it ideal for marine applications. If you prioritize ease of use and need a liner that can withstand harsh environments, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The first coat rolled on easy and dried in a few hours. The second coat really added the texture to the bed. Worked as advertised. Love the vivid blue, reminds me of Voodoo Blue from Toyota. Did the recommended preparation with 80 grit sandpaper, blew debris out with a blower, then wiped it down with xylene. Mixed real good with a paint mixer on a drill. 2 coats are definitely required for best results. Wear gloves is a little messy, goes on well and covers well. Color is good for dark areas. Number 2. Custom Shop Roller Kit. This kit makes applying textured coatings a breeze. It's perfect for truck bed liners and more. It includes a roller frame, 2 roller covers, a tray, a liner, and chip brushes. You'll have everything you need to get started. The roller covers are designed for a perfect textured finish. They're durable and easy to use. One roller cover comes pre-attached, and there's a replacement included. The extension handle makes it easy to reach all areas. It works great with Custom Coat, Raptor, Gator Guard, and other popular brands. Get a professional finish every time. Apply even coats in the same direction for the best results. It's that simple to create a stunning finish. What we like. This kit comes with a specialized texture roller for achieving a professional-looking finish with ease. It's designed for simple application and delivers a textured effect. If you're looking for a simple way to get a high-quality textured finish, this is the one for you. What people say. Used this product to roll onto truck bed, worked well. 1 quart will cover the bed of a side-by-side. Good lil kit for the price. Has tray and liner, so I use the liner already and next time I'll use the tray. Everything you need for 2 disposable uses with no cleanup. I was using a heavy bed liner type of paint and no fraying or tearing of the roller sponge. Number 1. Custom Coat Truck Bed Liner Kit. This is a premium, durable truck bed liner that can withstand even the harshest weather conditions. It's heat, UV, and waterproof, protecting your surfaces from rust and damage. It's a heavy-duty, 2-part urethane coating that's easy to apply, whether you choose to roll, brush, or spray it on. Achieve professional results with minimal effort. It's flexible, resisting chipping and providing impact and abrasion resistance. Unlike other coatings, it offers superior protection for years to come. Use it on truck beds, vehicles, equipment, or even around your home. It's perfect for floors, walls, and more, offering a non-skid surface. Choose from over 50 colors or create your own custom look. Various kit sizes and application tools are available to suit your needs. With its long-lasting protection, easy application, and versatile uses, this product is the ultimate solution for all your coating needs. Order yours today. What we like. It comes in a customizable desert tan color and a convenient 2-quart kit size. This liner is highly versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications. If you want a unique color and a smaller, more manageable kit size, this is the option for you. What people say. It is easy to spray, we are very happy with the results. Goes on easy and looks great. If you have to prime your bodywork, also paint the primer with a similar color as well or use a tinted primer. This helps with coverage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.